TenneT is a leading European network operator active in the Netherlands and in a large part of Germany, with a total network length of over 20,000 kilometers and 36 million end users. TenneT moved into a new building in 2013, the Mariendaal Center of Excellence. The building was developed by BAM Gispers and designed by Group A Architecten. The objective was to create a sustainable building. TenneT is renting the building and has also designed and implemented the stationary furnishings, built-in components, movable furnishings and equipment and services using a sustainable approach. This sustainability objective has been a key theme throughout the entire process. In winter, the heat, and in summer, the cold required by the building is extracted from the underground thermal energy storage facility located at a depth of some 180 meters. Combined with the building's high-quality insulation, this means that barely any additional energy is required to create a pleasant and comfortable climate. To create a perception and sense of well-being, the windows can be opened. The heat and moisture contained in the air is also reused. A thermal wheel extracts heat and moisture from the exhausted air and transfers it to the fresh air blown into the building. The design provides for optimal daylight penetration. When the incoming daylight is not sufficient, efficient adjustable light sources are automatically switched on and are also automatically switched off when no one is present in the area any longer. The power and gas required by the MCE is of course green. We make our power sustainable through means of certificates of origin that specifically use Dutch wind energy. The MCE is a large building, although it seems small. It is designed to blend in with the landscape. The design of the grounds provides due consideration to optimal facilities for flora and fauna. Together with the Stichting Gelders Landschap, the Province of Gelderland Landscape Foundation, important old waterways have been restored in the Slijpbeek stream, which runs through the Mariendaal Valley. The edges of the woods around the grounds have been reinforced with native species. The MCE is surrounded with a newly constructed garden that continues on into this enclosed garden. The entire package of built-in components has been constructed using sustainable practices. No adhesives have been used, and everything can be disassembled and reused. This applies to the desktops made of reusable rubber wood, to the timber elements that have been treated with natural oils instead of lacquer, and to the metal parts, walls, ceiling tiles and aluminium sections that are finished with a non-toxic cradle-to-cradle powder coating. This makes this one of the very first completely reusable ceilings in the world. The floor is rather unique as well. The floor tiles are made using polyolefin, an infinitely recyclable plastic. After their useful life, the manufacturer takes them back and uses them to make new tiles. This principle applies to most elements of the package of built-in components as well. The manufacturer will take them back after their useful life. Part of the furnishings used by TenneT in its previous building have been reused in the MCE. These furnishings have been supplemented with new furnishings that meet the sustainability criteria as much as possible. TenneT employees separate their waste, as a result of which a larger portion can be reused as secondary raw materials. For the services provided within the MCE, TenneT has opted for long-term contracts with parties that share TenneT's sustainability ambitions. In relation to the caterer, this is reflected in the assortment without packaging, fresh local and organic products, seasonal products, and the way in which they contribute to the waste management concept. The coffee supplied by Mars and Pizza has a sustainable character as well. Our cleaners use sustainable cleansing agents. The most comprehensive measurement system for measuring the sustainable performance of buildings is the BREEAM methodology. BREEAM certification is the most used sustainability quality mark throughout the world. TenneT is striving for a 3-star BREEAM certification rating with the MCE. The 3 stars represent a very good rating. As such, the MCE is among the top 20 most sustainable buildings in the Netherlands.